अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू क्यूब IT सॉल्यूशंस। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक क्विज़ डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ। वी ऑल आर स्टडीइंग फॉर लास्ट मैनी मंथ्स एंड होप यू पीपल आर watching the videos and trying the tutorials that I am providing you, and after all this I wanted to check that how much you guys have learned from my tutorials. So here is a quiz for you. The quiz is generally based on 10 questions and you have to do that questions by yourself on any of the programming languages using Java or using C#. You can use C++, but I recommend you to solve this quiz by C# or Java programming language. Okay, it's the choice is up to you. So let's start the quiz. I am sharing you the questions. Do these questions and share it with me. I will tell you then how much you have gained the knowledge with respect to programming and what are your skill level. You'll also get to know after solving these questions that how much you have learned. Okay, so let's start. The first question is, what is a variable? You have to define it. Okay, and then how can you create it, how can you declare it, and what are the different type of variable declarations you can do it in C# or Java. You have to provide 5 examples at least. Okay, that's the first question. Now moving towards the second question. You have to create an array of any size of any data type. Okay, you have to take input in that array and then you have to display the data that you have taken from the user and display it on the screen. Okay, at least write 2 examples for this. Okay, now let's see the third question. Create a program that have an arithmetic functions. You have to create a program which have arithmetic functions in a separate class. Okay, so here we have the object oriented part. The function should return the results, whatever the result is of the arithmetic functions, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and quotient as well. And you have to call that these functions on the screen. Okay, you have to display the results on the screen via calling these functions. Moving forward, you have to create another program that demonstrates the object oriented concepts. You can create a single program to demonstrate all these concepts of object oriented programming. Alright, the next question is, right, what is the property? Types of the properties you have to discuss and you have to explain it all and write programs with example. Okay, properties in C# or you can use Java as well. Next, what are the collections? Give example, at least 3 different collections you have to use in your program. And you can make 3 different programs for 3 different collections as well, and you can use one program with 3 different collections as well. Okay, so the choice is yours. You have to do it by yourself. The next question is, what are access modifiers? Explain it with example. You have to provide access modifiers and you have to do an example with this. And then question number 8 is, create a program that shows how to use abstract classes. What are abstract classes? You have to define what is the benefit of abstract classes, why we need abstract classes, what is the difference between abstract and a normal class. All these are the questions that you can answer for this question. Okay, now the second last question is, create a program that shows the use of inherit interface. So what is an interface, why we need it, what is the difference between a class and an interface, and what is the difference between an abstract class and an interface. Okay, so this is question number 9. And last is difference between interface and abstract class. You have to specify the differences between these two. What are the benefits, what are the situations in which I can use interface, and what are the situations where I can use abstract class. Okay, so that's it. This is the whole quiz. You guys have to follow all these questions. You will find necessary tutorials on the channel as well. You have a lot of playlists inside this channel, so search that and visit the particular videos and try these all. And if you wish to search on the internet, you can, but do it by yourself. Do not copy and paste. Hope you have learned a lot from this. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe and share it with others. If you have any query, do write me. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.